Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. Today I have a quick machining tip that I thought I would share with you all. It consists of a very easy way to knurl flat surfaces using a fly cutter and a milling machine. To get consistent results, the milling machine must have power feed on at least one axis. To begin with, I grind a symmetrical V-shaped point on the end of the single point tool that I'm using in the fly cutter. Once I have the fly cutter in the milling machine, I secure the workpiece and make a pass over the surface with the fly cutter at normal speeds and feed rates, just to clean up the surface and make sure it's perfectly flat and true to the machine workplane. Next, I feed the fly cutter down about 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch, turn the spindle speed down just a little bit, and turn the feed rate way up. Then I make another pass to cut the knurling. Because of the mismatched speed and feed, the fly cutter won't be able to fully machine a plane surface on the part. Instead, it will just make a series of overlapping arc-shaped V-grooves, producing the knurling. Of course, the angle of intersection between the score marks left by the leading and trailing sides of the cutter will depend on the position of the cutter relative to the workpiece and will vary over the width of the workpiece, especially if the width of the workpiece is significant relative to the cut diameter of the fly cutter. Anyway, I hope you found this little demonstration useful or at least entertaining, and until next time, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.